How to use Hamilton Beach Electric Kettle. 6 superb steps to use it. Milkwood. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Fill your kettle with about 2 cups of water. Turn the power switch on and wait until it says hot. You may need to adjust the temperature setting depending on what type of tea you are making. Pour the required amount of water from the jug into the kettle and turn off the electricity. Remove the strainer from inside the kettle and place it over your teapot. Let the remaining water cool down completely before removing the strainer. Serve the hot, steaming tea. Enjoy.